Lindsay Matthews is trying to attempt the jump over that jump. Then attempt that one. But here's her and her horse right there. Yeah, there they go. That's Gus, and that's Lindsay. Look at him go. I said, ready? What's this? Going around in a circle. OMG, they're going around in a circle. Lindsay falls off. This could be tragic. And she doesn't take it. She tries again. Full view of the jump. She can do this. And she sticks it. Go, Lindsay. Go, Lindsay. Go, Lindsay.
Okay. Cool.
See you on the next jump. Bye.